A discovery in the forest.
Some children are on a campsite with their teacher, Mr. Taylor.
Let's go into the forest. I want you to take everything off the list.
I can take photos of everything on the list. Look, there is a mushroom. And here is a ghost orchid.
That isn't a ghost orchid. Ghost orchids are very rare.
Look, there is a badger.
Oh, I can't move. I think my leg is broken.
What can we do?
You stay here, Mr. Taylor. We can go to the campsite for her. Sorry, Mr. Taylor, we don't know the way to the campsite.
Go to the end of the path. Turn right. Go around the lake. Turn left at the signpost. Turn the way to the campsite.
Half an hour later, the children returned with a rescue services. What's the matter?
Is my leg? I think it's broken.
Look, you are lying next to a ghost orchid. They are very rare.
Fantastic! Now we got photos of everything on the list.
The next day,
How are you, Mr. Taylor?
I'm feeling much better. Thanks you.
Look, your photo is